everyone, it's Tammy, and I thought I would just do a haul video this way of some Hobby Lobby stuff that I got yesterday. They are having a big sale. Today's Sunday, so you can't go today, but I don't know when I'm going to have this posted, but I'm filming this on Sunday. But they didn't have as many things with the yellow tag clearance as they had before, but they had all of their Paper Studio for 50% off. So the first thing I got was this huge stamp, and it is just a scalloped punch. I have a 2-inch circle punch from Stampin' Up, and I'd like to have a scallop punch to put behind it. So now I have one, and this was the only reason I would even entertain buying a huge stamp like this, because I don't like them like this anymore when they have the smaller ones that I love from Stampin' Up. But this was half off of $15.99, so this was $8. I mean, it was super inexpensive, and I thought that I would use it, so I got this one. Like I said, I don't particularly care for these big huge ones, and I'm really not sure where I'm even going to store it, but now I have it. I also got some of these. I had gotten these last year, and I was actually trying to find some more of them last year, and I couldn't. But they are in the Easter section, and all of the Easter stuff was 40% off. So this is $3.99, so 40% off of that is whatever it is. And you got 4 washies, and they're all floral and really pretty. Then I did find these. These were both 75 cents. They are cute little clear stamps. I'm not sure if I'm keeping these or gifting these yet, but they're cute. I like them. I just don't know how much I'll use them, so that's why I was like, well, for 75 cents, I'll just grab one, and if I decide that I want to use it, great. If I decide that I want to gift it, great. So it says #weekend, messy hair don't care, hello weekend, Sunday fun day, bring on the weekend, I woke up like this, Friday, and I hate Mondays. Whew, excuse me. And then the other one is brunch. Oh, and that one was called weekend. The other one is called brunch, and it says brunch is always a good idea. It's brunch o'clock. Let's do brunch, and brunch friends forever. And I don't do brunch really, so, but I just like the images. I mean, who doesn't like bacon? And then I got this to send to my daughter. It says he is risen. And they're those jelly kind of window clings, and she likes this kind, and she goes to a Christian college, so I thought that this would be nice for her to have on her window or her mirror or whatever. And then I also did the huge, you know, Easter bunny. Just really cute. I think these are adorable too, and I love to squish them. I know she does too, so I'm going to put those in a care package for her. I need to get one going here soon. I'm also going to put these in a care package for her. You guys probably know that I call her Chicken, and these are just everything you need to make those little chicks. And I thought she might get a kick out of that, just to do something fun one night. And I may have to send her with some glue. I don't know if she has any, but isn't that cute? I may ask her first, just because I would save myself a little if I didn't have to. And then I found these tags. These were on clearance for $1.25 a piece, and they're just nice size tags, and you can see the different shapes. There's a swan, a bird, a unicorn that's kind of gold foiled, or is gold foiled, and then it has a flamingo, a llama, and a whale. And I thought these would be cute just to attach to a gift or whatever and put, you know, to you from me. And then same with these. These are little popsicles. I don't know if you can see the sticks. They're black, but they are here. And then this is like one of those dual popsicles. So the different ones of these are just, you know, cute. This one is the only one that says anything, and it says hello. But, you know, you can see this has, looks like grape with chocolate and sprinkles. This one looks like pink with hearts, yellow. This one just has different design in it, and same with this one. But they're very cute, and of course this one is the rose gold foiled. And they have little bites out of them. Some of them, I guess this one does, and this one does, and this one does. So half of them. I thought they were cute. Same kind of concept. And then I found this for $2.25. It is a paper pack. Wild and Free. And I'm going to show you what it comes with. So it comes with all of these different paper designs. And then it comes with these stickers and those stickers. I think they're both stickers. Vellum stickers and cardstock stickers. So cardstock and vellum. And then it comes with these little doilies. A large doily, 12 pieces, and 12 small doilies. So I don't know, I thought it might be fun to see what I can come up with those. For $2.25, can't beat it. Then I found this, and these are 8.5 by 11. They were $2, and there's 12 of them. And it's called All Seasons. And I thought this might be cute for Katie. I know she doesn't have a dorm room or anything yet, but she could put just a frame, and I could cut them so that they fit if it doesn't fit. Like 8 by 10 frame, I'll probably get one of those for her and then just gift these with it. But this one says, "And so the adventure begins." And this one says, "Love is in the air." And then, so there's one for every month. A little thing called luck. Hello Spring. Life is sweet. And those are little popsicles. And these have palm trees. And it says tan lines and good times. And this is the United States with the flag for July. And this one says, "Oh Sweet Summer." And it looks like a Ferris wheel. And then pumpkin spice everything for October. Or for September, I guess. Trick or treat yourself for October. November is so very thankful. And then December says, "Baby, it's cold outside." So I thought that would be really cute for her to hang up in her apartment or even her dorm room. And, you know, just have it so that she had a little seasonal flair. So that's for her. And then I got a notebook for myself. This is really cute. It says hello and has those beautiful flowers on it. And then you open it up and it's like hard cardstock, or, you know, just hardcover. And then it's just plain paper that's lined with a little border on the side. Now this was $10, but it was on sale for half off, and they're all the same. They're just this. And let me tell you a little bit of a story that was, whew. So the lines at Hobby Lobby yesterday were insane. I'm talking, they had 4 registers open, and they were at least 5 people deep in each one, and they were super slow. So I was trying to figure out what line to get in, and I inevitably picked the wrong line. And the person that was in front of me had, she didn't have a cart, she was just holding it, but she had a million things, and then she had a return. And she wasn't in the return aisle, but they still, you know, were trying to help her. So the manager kept coming over and coming over and coming over, and finally I saw another line that looked like, even though I was right behind her, I could tell this was going to take forever. So I got into a different line, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and finally I got up there, and they switched, and it was the manager that was now ringing me out, which is fine. But these were, this and the 2 things I'm going to show you next were the last 3 things. They were all 50% off because they're all Paper Studio. And I said, and you know, I'm watching the prices, and I see that she didn't get 50% off of this, and I said, "Oh, that's 50% off," and she was like, "Yeah, I know, I'll get it." And I'm like, okay, so I'm trying to watch to see what she's doing, and I don't exactly see, because she was putting in the other ones as 2 at $19.99 and half off. So anyway, this was $9.99, and so I get the receipt. She had charged me full price, so I said, "You didn't give me the $9.99. She goes, "Yes, I did." Or I said, "You didn't give me the half off price for this one, I don't think." And she was like, "Yes, I did." And then she looks at it, and she's like, "Oh, no, I guess I didn't. I'm sorry." And then she said, you're going to have to get into another line." Are you kidding me? So I did. I had to get into another line and wait. And then I get up to her and I tell her, and she's like, "Well, this isn't the return line. I can't do it." So then I looked at the lady and I was like, "Lady?" And she was like, "Yeah, you can do that. Just do a price adjustment." And she's like, "I don't know how to do that." So then somebody had to come over and show her how to do it, which wasn't a problem. She didn't know how, and this wasn't the return line, but they didn't tell me I had to get in a return line. And finally I got my $5.35 back, which I know is kind of silly to have to go through all of that for this, but I was like, I didn't want to pay 10 bucks for it, but I would pay $5 for it. So that's my little story with Hobby Lobby, and it's usually not that bad, but whew, I was just yesterday with it. I was over it. Now, I know I have something like this for my children already, and I haven't done anything with them. But honestly, I will either have enough to do 2 for each of them, or I can gift these or whatever. I don't know. And this one especially kind of screamed my son. So it is a recipe organizer, and it's a 3-ring binder. And I know that he's really excited about me doing recipes for him. And this one is kind of masculine, I'd say, with the colors and stuff. And it comes with some flowers. No, it comes with some stickers. And they're all in these nice plastic, whatever they're called. So I can work with that. Then there's an appetizers, breads. I don't know why the bread would have an onion on it. Soups and salads, side dishes, main dishes, desserts. Oh, that's folded over. And then it has the measurement equivalents, which is nice. And then it gets into just the heart of it, where you can put bigger recipes or whatever. And so there's several pages of those, and they're all decorated neatly. So there's some chicken wire, and it looks like a little clipboardy thing, some burlap. I haven't looked at it this closely yet. Looks like a little chalkboard and some wood. I mean, so they're really cute. And then after a pretty large section of those, you get these recipe cards. And there's 2 in each one, and there's several of those. And then there's some bigger, longer recipes as well. So big, long cards. And there's several of those. And I just like that there's page protectors on all of them. And then this is the back. And then I found, so those were half off. And then I found some more of these that were also half off. So these were $2.99, these were $1.50, and they match. So I thought that I could use this for any extras or anything like that. So that is for my son, and I will decorate it and make it look cute, but I think that he would appreciate that. And then I got this one that I thought might be cute for my daughter, unless I give her one of the other ones that I already have. But it's a nice hardbound same, and everything is the same inside, I believe. Actually, this has a little pocket here. And then here are the stickers, and then it has all of the different, this one says, cooking is life, it should be entered into with abandon or not at all. And then, so I guess that the little tabs on this one aren't labeled, so you can label those however you want. And then she has an equivalent measurement thing. And then it gets into the recipes, and her pages are kind of divided up. Kind of cool. And then it goes into the recipe pages that are the same, where they're doubled. And again, everything's in page protectors. Now it looks like she has some extra, that's interesting. So this is a little different, but she has extra page protectors, but she doesn't have any of the big long ones. But I found another recipe set for her too. I thought that these would go. Yes, they absolutely match. They're the same. So that is cool. I like that they had that. So, and they had a couple of each, but each one of these is 24. So I kind of thought that with what's in there and the 24, that's plenty to get them started. And, you know, if they want more recipes of Mama's, they can watch YouTube even and see some there, and they can, you know, ask me. Hopefully I'll be around to tell them. So I'll have plenty to pass along, but I thought that that would be cute, and I want to give that to them when they move to their first apartment or whatever, so that they'll have it. So that is everything that I got from Hobby Lobby. I ended up spending, well, it was 73 and then I got 5 back, so 68 bucks, which I think was fair. I'm excited. I am excited about this, having this larger scallop punch. I know that I can do it on my die cut machine, and I get that, but honestly, sometimes, if you guys are crafters, you know that it's just so convenient to have a punch to do things sometimes. It's so nice and easy that I really like my punches. So I am happy to have it, because if I'm doing something quick, it's a lot more work to get out the die cut machine and to, you know, roll it through however many times, especially if I'm doing a one sheet wonder or something like this. So this will be really nice to have. Now I did really kind of want a 2 1/4 inch one, but they only had the 2 1/2, so you know, beggars can't be choosers. So thanks so much. Bye bye, guys.